India's location is literally the name of chapter 1 of NCERT. Also in this chapter, we will see India's size. So let's see what details are given about India's location and size in the NCERT. In this paragraph, it is given that time difference between eastern and western point of India is 2 hours. Longitude for Indian Standard Time is 82 degree 30 minutes east. Longitudinal extent of India is from 8 degree north to 37 degree north, and longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree east to 97 degree east. East to west in extent is 3,214 kilometers, and north to south is 2,933 kilometers. So that's all about location of India. Now let's see India's size. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is 2.4% of world's land surface area, and India has area of 3.28 million square kilometers. And all the questions that are asked in UPSC as well as any state PSC exams, they all revolve around these information only. Now let's look at some MCQs. Let us start with an easy one. These are questions from MP PSC and Jharkhand PSC. Both questions are based on India's rank in area. And we know India is 7th largest country in the world. Now this question was asked in Jharkhand PSC 2016, and we have to find incorrect statement. Let's look at the first statement. Total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. This statement is correct. Latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. This statement is also correct. Longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. This statement is also correct. So the incorrect statement will be statement D. Number of states in India is 26. If this statement comes now, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. Now this question was asked in UP PSC 2006, and it has 4 statements. Let's look at them. First statement, India is the 5th largest country in the world. It's incorrect. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It occupies 2.4% of the total area of lithosphere. This statement is correct. The whole of India lies in torrid zone. No, Tropic of Cancer divides India into tropical and subtropical parts. So third statement is incorrect. Fourth statement, 82 degree 30 minutes east meridian and hemisphere is used to determine Indian Standard Time Code. This statement is also correct. So answer will be D. Statement 2 and 4 correct. And almost same question was repeated by UPPSC in 2022. Let's look at this question. First statement, India is the 6th largest country in the world. It's incorrect. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India occupies 2.4% of the total area of the world. This statement is correct. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, dividing it into 2 latitudinal halves. This statement is correct. India lies completely in tropic zone. This statement is incorrect. So answer is C. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. Now, last question. This is the latest question asked in this topic in Jharkhand PSC 2024. There are 4 statements, and let's see those 4 statements. First, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland area, India, is around 30 degrees. This statement is correct. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2.5 hours. This statement is incorrect. The time lag is 2 hours and not 2.5 hours. Third statement, the 82 degree 30 minutes east is standard meridian of India. This statement is correct. Now fourth, time taken along standard meridian is taken as standard time of India. This statement is also correct. So answer will be first is correct, second is incorrect, third is correct, fourth is correct. So option B is the correct answer. There is one more detail that is given in the NCERT, but question hasn't been asked from this yet. You'll find this question in multiple test series. So although both latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is about 30 degrees, but actual east to west distance is 3,214 kilometers, which is greater than north-south distance, that is 2,933 kilometers. What is the reason for this deviation? This difference is based on the fact that difference between 2 longitudes decreases as you go towards the pole, whereas distance between 2 latitudes always remain the same.